guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't done any videos since I think around Christmas time. I did say the next video would be on the V8 E36, but that is currently on the ramp. I am working on it at the moment. That will be, I'll have a video on that probably in the next 2-3 weeks maybe. But this evening I've got a few jobs I need to do on my M57 Compact. I've got a boost leak and I've got a coolant leak, a few other bits and pieces I want to sort out. I also got an X5. I purchased an X5 maybe about two months ago, last month, 2 months ago, something like that. Basically for the engine, so I'm going to swap the engine from that X5 into my Compact as well in the future, mainly because that's a more powerful engine to start with. It's a bit more tunable. So, but yeah, that's why I bought it. I'll show you that at the same time. So yeah, let's get the car in so I can get these issues fixed. Yeah, so this is how she currently sits at the moment. But is looking a bit sorry for herself, to be honest. I drive the stones out of it, so and bash it up quite a lot. But it's a great car all round. But yeah, I bought this then. Oh yeah, so I got this X5. This has the next M57 basically, like this 215 brake horsepower I think in an X5, but it's the same as the 204 brake horsepower in the E36, so they're more tunable. Like I'm kind of at my limit with this one at like 250 or whatever it is, whereas the X5 204 brake horsepower engine, 300 and more is achievable. So yeah, I basically got that for the future, not right now. But yeah, still happy with how this one's going. So yeah, it's currently raining outside, so let me move this Z3 out of the way, get the Compact in. As I said, this is on the ramp at the moment while I'm working on it. Next video will be on that. That coupe is having some welding. This then is waiting on an ECU repair. Another V8 going in an E46 very soon, just waiting on some parts. Yeah, let me get this in. Right, so my leak, this pipe under here, so the one that goes into the top of the rad. And take the Jubilee clip off first and have a look, but I'm pretty sure that's where I've seen it leaking from. And then my boost leak, from there that pipe is split, so I need to try sort out as well. But this one first. Doing this one-handed is a bit of a pain, and my gimbal battery went dead, so I got that on charge. So I just need to get these off. That's not really. Let me put the phone down so I can pop it off. Focus just split there. I'm pretty sure it was probably just the catching on that clamp from the boost pipe. So what I'm going to do now is cut this and I'll use this joiner then. Cut a piece of this and join it on to the other hose. Should be sound. Yes, let me cut some holes up. Right, so this is what I've done. So I've got a shorter piece of pipe. Focus. Yep, shorter piece of pipe onto the rad. Got plastic connector, and then I've got a standard pipe. I'm just going to cut that somewhere around here and join it on. That should be good. Yeah, so I lost sound on this section of the video, so there's a couple of clips where the sound went a bit funny. This one I've lost it altogether for some reason. But the coolant hose is fixed, as you can see, just a plastic connector. Join the two hoses together, two Jubilee clamps. That should sort out my coolant leak. My boost leak, I did repair this pipe before. I could see it was starting to split on the edge where it was meeting the hard boost pipe, I think from where the engine was moving. I did tape it up and it's lasted for the last couple of months, but it looks like it's gone completely now, so I'm going to need to take that off. I do have another hose on the shelf. I didn't realise at the time, but yeah, I did have another hose on the shelf, so I'm going to go look for that now, find that hose, and then hopefully replace it and fix my issue. Yeah, so there's the hose in question. I wasn't sure if it was exactly the same one, if it was maybe off a smaller engine car and it was a smaller diameter pipe, but it wasn't. It's exactly the same as what I need, so yeah, this is what I'm using. Right, so yeah, so as I said, it was already going. I did have duct tape on it, and it's also the same pipe, so perfect. I'll fit this one and throw this one away. Yeah, so as I said, lucky enough, I had the right pipe, Jubilee clamp back on. I had to take this pipe off just to get it back into the right place, but that's all done. As I said, coolant leak sorted. Pretty sure I have a coolant leak from the thermostat, or I did anyway. I have to sort out at a later date, but yeah, that's the main one. We should have heaters again now all the time. Yeah, alright, so that's it for this evening. It was just them couple of jobs I wanted to get done on the compact. They're all done, coolant leak sorted and boost leak sorted. I do have a list of other stuff I need to do to that compact and stuff I want to do to the compact. They can all wait till a future episode. As I said, the V8, I am videoing stuff on that at the moment, so there will be an episode on that probably next week or the week after. Plenty of progress being made. But yeah, if you are watching, like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. Just recently hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, so thanks everybody for subbing already. And as I said, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.